Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today also we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can go ahead and fix a registration error right there in your Grindr app. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, we'll simply go ahead and step into our video. So if you're getting registration errors right there in your mobile phones Grindr app, first of all, make sure that if your app is updated or not. Go to this Play Store option over here, search the particular app and see if it's updated. So in my case, the app is updated. Tap on this open option and you go ahead update if it's not. And if you go to the sign up option, for example, if you have entered your age which indicates that you're underage for Grindr use, that could be one of the reason that Grindr is purposely stopping you from using this, right? If it's not the case, then what you can do is go back and check if you're not being able to get back to your account with the email and password that you created. Go ahead, try forgot password for once, see if you are sure about your password right there. And then if that's not the case, what you can do is simply go ahead and use Facebook or Google, the other methods for you to get logged in, which will simply detect either your existing accounts with existing information, so it will be easy for you to access it. So these are the options for you. If it's not the case as well, what you can do is let's go ahead, create a new account. That will be another option for you. So yes guys, this is how you can simply do it. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll be seeing you guys in our next video.